is Stephen Detweiler, and in the spirit of this fall season and this harvest season and this season of pumpkin spice, whatever, blah, 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 guess what I got? I got a pumpkin. And I'm going to see if I can actually carve a face in the pumpkin with my 1911 replica Springfield CO2 pistol. I did draw some lines on the pumpkin. I wasn't going to, but I don't think I'm that good. I don't think I'm going to be that good with the lines. Let's see what happens. They will penetrate the pumpkin. I took a couple shots on the backside, so let's see if we can make this face, carve this face with this 1911 CO2 Springfield. Haha. So let's do this. Check the cameras. Rolling. Everybody's rolling. That hit him in the eye. I have to check that. Hold on. I'm more than 7 feet away. All right. Okay. All right, it looks like I'm going to need to move closer due to the fact the other side of the pumpkin was soft, this side of the pumpkin seems to be hard. Let's see. I'm now about 4 or 5 foot away. I'm going to just try to knock out his eyeball right there. Okay. Change out magazines. I don't want to be in front of that camera. I want to be in the front of this camera. Let me tilt this camera just a little bit this way. All right. Let me see. All right. I'll be back to reload. All right, I am back. We have that first eye working. I'm going to go after the next eye. That is one tough pumpkin. think we got through that second eye. How are we doing on this video? Let's see. Yeah, we're getting there. Let me work on that other eye a little bit. Hey, we're getting there. I'll be right back. Gotta reload. Alright, I am back. Let's work on the nose. We got holes for the eyes. Let's work on the hole for the nose. Man, I can feel the CO2 is running out of these. I get about 3 rounds. I'm going to have to change out to more CO2. How's this camera doing? We're doing good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we got that nose working. Time to reload. And I am back. This is round 3. Let me start that mouth. Gotta start the mouth. Gotta have a mouth, right? We got the eyes. We got the nose. Let's do the mouth. CO2's gone on that one. We got a little crazy. It's gonna have a little lisp. It's gonna have a little lisp. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. Back to the mouth. Getting crazy. I did not. The other side of the pumpkin was so much softer. That's crazy. All right, we are making headway. That's how we're doing it, man. I'm gonna put 2 more holes in there, and that's gonna be the mouth. Because we're running out of time. I'm back. Let's continue on. All right, feeling good in the neighborhood. All right. I'm gonna go for just 2 more rounds, and that's gonna be our pumpkin. I am back. I am back. All right. All right. I'm trying to give it a little more symmetry. This is our last one. Here we go. Yeah. 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 I'm happy with that. For what it is, for what we did, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna cut this off and we're gonna get a good picture of this. Let's see. Man, it took almost 30 minutes to do this, but this is you're seeing the cut version of it, but this was fun. Look at that guy. We carved a jack-o'-lantern with our 1911 CO2 pistol in the apartment. Now I'm going to cut this baby open, clean it out, and I'm going to stick a candle in it. And we're going to see how that works. Until next time, I'm going to post a short video of that jack-o'-lantern lit up from the inside. But this was really fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy this video. And I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you next time.